Hello, welcome to Heske Agency. Today, we are going to share a custom code with you that applies to Elementor Basic Gallery. By default, we have the option to choose how many columns should be displayed in the gallery on desktop, but we don't have a similar option to adjust the number of columns on tablets or mobile devices. Therefore, we have developed custom code that provides us with this capability. The link to the custom code can be found below. Let's jump straight into Elementor. Here we've selected the basic gallery, as you can see. Alternatively, you can simply search for widget basic, find the widget, and drag it to your desired location. However, we've already set one up, so I'll show you the settings for that. First, you go to the image gallery and select the galleries to be published. You can do this by clicking on Add Gallery and then choosing your galleries there. We've already selected these galleries and then clicked on Insert Gallery. Here you can see all the galleries, and then you come to Image, where you choose Full. Under Columns, you can select whether you want 3, 4 or 5. That's up to you. Here, all the numbers are displayed, and for Link, we choose Media File, and for Lightbox, we choose Yes. But here's the thing. When you go to Image Gallery, you can choose which gallery you want on the tablet. Here we see it shows 3. If I choose 4 on the tablet, it shows 4 here. But when I go back to the desktop, it still shows 4 here as well. So, as said, you don't have the option to choose, for example, 4 on the desktop or 3 on the tablet, or 2 on mobile. If I go to mobile, you see it only shows 1 column here. And you don't have the option to change to 2 columns here, for example. So here, it only shows 1 column. Then we go back again to the desktop. And we have the custom code here. I'll just copy that. And then we go back again to Basic Gallery. Next, we navigate to Advanced and then to Custom CSS. Here, we simply paste the code. If you look now, there's quite a bit of space. So, we return to Basic Gallery, head over to Content and set it to 1. Now it displays correctly. Back in Advanced, let me explain the code a bit. Here we have the code for desktop, specifying how many items should be displayed. And below, we have the code for tablets and then for mobile. From this code, we can adjust how many items should be displayed on the desktop. For instance, I set it to 4, and it displays 4 items. On the tablet, I've set it to 3. Let's test and see if it displays correctly on the tablet too. We switch to the tablet view, and you can see it displays 3 items, and it shows 4 items on the desktop. On mobile, I've set it to 2. Let's switch to mobile and check if it's displaying correctly. You can see it displays 2 items. Here, I can change it to 3 or 4, depending on your preference. I set it to 3, and you can see it changes to 3 columns on mobile. Then I set it back to 2. We go back to the desktop and click Update on Elementor. Now let's go back to the gallery to check. First, we must click on Clear Cache. Let's verify that it shows 4 items. I just double check that I've set it to 4 there, and then click on Clear Cache again. Here it displays 4 items. Next, I switch to mobile and double check that it shows 2 items. You can see it displays 2 items nicely on mobile as well. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to like, comment and subscribe.